All right, good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and happy Friday to all of you. Today is September 14th of 2018. Couple of announcements for today. For MAP testing, that ends today. So if you had any new students and also kindergarten students, please make sure you wrap up your MAP testing today. For our lunch choices, we have turkey melt, cheese pizza, and American sub as our choices for today. There are no birthdays to announce for today, so we'll have birthdays starting next week again. And then for today, for our role play situation that we have, is one that we have some students here that are going to model or actually show some things what you should do if somebody is not doing what they should be, especially if they're trying to hit you or are hitting you.
Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to talk about making sure you keep your hands to yourself, which has been a problem area, especially on playgrounds. So today we're going to go through a role play about keeping your hands to yourself and if someone's bothering you, what you should do.
Stop. Stop it. Stop it. I don't like it. Stop hitting him or else I'm going to tell him stop.
So with that situation there, definitely if somebody's hitting you, you have to tell them to stop. If you don't like it, tell them to stop. You don't like it. And if you're observing or see somebody getting hit, then definitely tell that person to stop or go get an adult as soon as possible. There is no reason why anybody should be touching or hitting any students whatsoever. So definitely make sure that you tell that person you don't like it and report it as soon as possible. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. All right, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Hand over your heart, please.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So if you could please stand, put your hand over your heart, please. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job, guys. Thank you for helping out with the Pledge of Allegiance for today. It is Friday, boys and girls. Have a great day. Make it a good one. Make some good choices today. Make sure you can go into the weekend on a positive note. Have a great day.